Next tayo, so we have example number 4. A mixture of freeze-dried vegetables is to be composed of beans, corn, broccoli, cabbage, and potatoes. The mixture is to contain at most 40% beans and at most 32% of potatoes. Okay, so limit na agad yun. Limit na natin siya. At most 40% at most 32%. The mixture should contain at least 5 grams of iron. Ayun, ma-highlight. Ayan, at least 5 grams of iron, 36 grams of phosphorus, and 28 grams of calcium. The nutrients in each vegetable and the cost are shown in the following table. The amount of each vegetable to include should be determined so that the cost of the mixture should be minimized. Okay, so parang may greatest clue tayo dito sa part na to, yung dulo. Yung the amount of each vegetable to include should be to be determined so that the cost should be minimized. So, syempre, ang goal niyan ay i-minimize. Ang goal niya ay itong minimized. Okay? Pero may sinabi siyang amount of each vegetable to include should be determined. So, therefore, yan yung sinasabi nating controlled. No? Okay? So, therefore, ang ating decision variables ay yung amount ng beans, corns, broccoli, cabbage, at saka potato. So, therefore, ang x1 natin, beans, pounds of beans, x2 ay corn, x3 ay broccoli, x4 ay cabbage, x5 ay potato. Okay, so punta na ako sa susunod, doon na tayo mag-analyze. So, first off, identify natin si objective function. Objective function, minimize daw. No, I minimize the amount of each vegetable to include should be determined so that the cost of the mixture is minimized. So, we wish to minimize the cost. So, ito yung cost sa gilid. So, yan yung minimize natin. Okay? So, medyo nilito lang tayo ng kaunti ni problem. Minimize J. Lagay natin yung cost. That's 20, 18, 32, 28, 16. Okay, 20, 18, 32, 28, 16. 16 nga ba? 28, 20, 18, 32, 28, 16. 20, 18, 32, 28, 16. 16. Okay. Next. Okay, so may sinabi siya kanina. So, I guess we're done with our objective functions. So, next, may sinabi siya kanina na the percentage of beans. Okay. Ay, nasaan yung part na yun? Medyo na-bother ako dun sa percentage ng pa-percent ng beans. Ayan. Ayan. The mixture is to contain at most 40% of beans. Okay? And at most 32% of potato. So, therefore, pag pinagsama-sama mo, kailangan at most 40%. Lagay natin yon yung constraint na yon. Okay? Ang beans ko ay x1. Okay? So, sabi daw, mixture should contain at least 40% ng beans. Okay? So, therefore, 40% ng mixture x4, x5. Okay? So, dito yung beans limit. Ayan. Tapos, may isa pa. Meron ding isa pa. At most, 32% ng potatoes. Ang potato ko ay x5. x5 is less than or equal to 0.32. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Potato. Double check natin kung ano pang constraints. Okay. Next, ang sabi daw, itong nutrients. Ayan, may sinabi. Sabi, the nutrients, kailangan daw, ang mixture should contain at least 5 grams of iron. 5 grams of iron, 36 grams of phosphorus, and 28 grams of calcium. So, therefore, dapat ay 36 grams. 36 grams okay, so therefore, kailangan nating i-include si iron. Ano naman pala ang mga iron? Iron. So, dapat daw ito ay at least 5 grams. Kaso, ang unit nito, nasa ng ayan, milligrams. Okay, so dapat daw, pag pinag-add-add ko aring mga are, dapat ay at least 5 grams, at least 36 grams si phosphorus, at si calcium ay at least 28 grams. Okay, lagay natin siya sa equation. Kakopy ko lang to sa kabila ha, para makita ko siya. Kasi ang hirap niyang tignan pabalik-balik. Okay, so, therefore, kailangan ko ng 0.5 na x1 plus 0.5 na x2 sa corn plus 1.2 x3 plus 0.3 x4 plus 0.4 x5. Okay, so ito ang aking iron. Kulang. So, sabi daw ano yun? At most, at least. Sabi ay at least 5 grams of iron. At least. So, kung at least siya, dapat ay greater than or equal to at least. Minimum. Okay. Greater than or equal to 5. Yun nga lang, dahil ito ay milligram, ito na lang i-convert ko. So, convert na lang natin ito sa milligram para lahat sila ay milligram. Yun din yung gagawin natin sa phosphorus. 10x1 plus 20x2 plus 40x3 30 x3 plus 50 x3 greater than or equal to 36,000. This is your phosphorus. Tapos, last na si calcium. So, calcium ay 200 plus 280 x2 plus 800 x3 plus 420 x4 plus 360 x5 greater than or equal to 28 grams, milligrams. Okay, so others, recheck natin kung meron tayong naiwan na naguron na siya. Cabbage. Wala na. Okay? So, therefore, ang kulang na lang natin to ay non-negativity constraints. Okay, so this is your objective function and your constraints.